Welcome back to Brain Quiz. Get ready for a mind-bending challenge. Can you guess these objects from just a close-up? You have 6 seconds for each. Let's see how sharp your eyes are. Before starting video, hit that subscribe button for more exciting quizzes. Let's dive in. Guess the fruit. You can judge it. Oranges float in water because their peels are full of tiny air pockets. Guess the plant. Well done. Cotton has been used by humans for over 7,000 years. Guess the fruit. Strawberries are not actually berries, they belong to the rose family and have their seeds on the outside. Guess the object. Take your time. Natural sea sponges don't have a brain, heart or nervous system. Well done, you judge it. Guess what it is? Is this living creature? The oldest known tree is over 4,800 years old. Guess the object. This wire looks like something steel. The concept of the spring was first recorded by Leonardo da Vinci in his mechanical drawings. Guess what is it? The foamy texture. Soap bubbles only last a few seconds before popping due to evaporation. Guess the animal skin. It's absolutely simple. No, two zebras have the same strip pattern. It's like a fingerprint. Guess what is it? Well done. Marshmallows were originally made from the sap of the marshmallow plant. Guess what is it? Brilliant. The most used letter on a keyboard is the letter E. Guess the animal. Brilliant. Butterfly wings have tiny scales that reflect light. Guess what is it? It's easy to judge. Well done. Bees build hexagonal honeycombs. Guess what is it? It is something like rainbow pattern. Cotton candy was co-invented by a dentist in 1897. Guess what is it? It looks like coin. Brilliant. The first coin were made of a gold-silver mix called electrum. Guess the fruit. Yes, blackberries are not berries but a group of drupelets. Guess what is it? Something sea or ocean? Yes, ocean waves are created by wind energy. Guess the object. Superb. Sunflowers follow the sun, a behavior called heliotropism. Guess the texture. Rust forms when iron reacts with oxygen and moisture. Guess the animal. Every person can judge it. Snake scales help reduce friction, making movement smoother. Guess what is it? Everybody's favorite. Oh, yep. The snap of chocolate depends on its cocoa butter content. Guess the animal by its feet. Great. Cat's pads act as shock absorbers. Guess the texture. Which object is this? Absolutely, deeper threads help tires grip roads better in rainy conditions. Guess the animal. It's easy. A lion's mane gets darker with age and signals strength to other lions. Guess what is it? Fruit or plant? Despite its wild look, dragon fruit is actually a cactus fruit. Guess the animal. Amazing! Elephant skin can be up to 2.5 cm thick but is super sensitive to touch. Guess the animal. The brilliant colors in peacock feathers come from microscopic crystal structures. Guess the texture. Coconuts can float water but travel long distances before sprouting. Guess the animal. Snakes don't have eyelids, instead they have a protective scale over their eyes. Guess the fruit. Yes, pineapples take up to 2 years to fully grow. Guess the animal. Well done. Tiger's stripes are not just on its fur, they are also on its skin. Guess the fruit by its texture. Kiwi skin is edible and packed with fiber. Guess the animal. A giraffe skin pattern is like a fingerprint, no two are the same. Guess the bird by its feather. Parrots can produce vibrant feather colors naturally, unlike most birds. Guess what is it? Plant, animal, or bird? Cactus spines are actually modified leaves to prevent water loss. Guess the animal. Are these eyes of cat? Owls can't move their eyes, but they can rotate their heads to 70 degrees. Guess the animal. But it looks like bubbles. Brilliant. Chameleons change color using special pigment cells called chromatophores. Guess what is it? It's simple. Every corn cob has an even number of rows, usually 16 rows per cob. Guess the animal. It's difficult to judge. Starfish have no brain or blood, but they can regenerate lost arms. Guess the insect by its wing. A bee's wings flap around 200 times per second. Awesome. Guess the dry fruit. It's like human body. Walnuts are one of the oldest tree foods known to humans, over 7,000 years old. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting quizzes.